Morning, my name is Carol Harmer from the International Trading Institute, and today I'm going to talk about not too many markets, but ones I think are going to move. Now, we are entering silly season on trading months. August is probably the worst month that you could possibly trade. It's called the silly season because they all go on holiday. We all normally go on holiday, and you get the number 2s, number 3s on the desk, even maybe number 4s. So because we follow Forex a lot, you will find that with August it's either extremely volatile on zero volume or dead. There's no in between really, obviously, unless Trump gets shot or something dire happens. But normally, a normal August is not good to trade. However, it does give you time to reflect and see, what markets look like they might move and how you can take advantage of any market really. Because they don't open and close and not trade. They do move, but it's where you would put your stops. That's the problem. It's where you would put your stops, because, as I said, August is a very, very dodgy month for trading. So let's quickly have a look at, first I'm going to show you the gold market. And you can see that gold, after making all-time highs that we're aware of, came back, got 3,500 bucks, and it came back and it's sort of like consolidating. Now, if you look at our indicators, they're quite flat at the moment, although looking to poise to go a little bit higher. It's going to be stuck, I think, in this congestion field. Now, what I like to do is put lines on that a lot of people don't put on. So I'm going to join that one. So that one there. And that would be my parallel line. You can extend them out, so you can trade between these two. Now, the idea of trading from patterns is also they can give you measured targets. As you can see, I've already put on the fib extensions up here ready for you, and that is if it breaks out of, I've done it from here to here. So if we break out of the consolidation phase, obviously 3,500 is going to be the very first target it goes to, because that was the previous high. So what you have to then realise is take your profits around that area. So you're talking about 3,485, 3,490. You don't wait for 3,500 because the chances are that it's going to fail there initially. However, if it does break 3,500 and stays above it, so remember we're trading on the first, not on the first, second or third break. We're only trading the second or third. Don't want to be trading on the first one because that stops. Don't get caught up in the noise. So in August you need to take a step back, look at your monthly, weekly, daily, 4-hourly charts, and anything below a 4-hourly chart, really you're just getting caught up in high frequency trading, and it's gambling. It's like the luck of the draw. So we don't really want to do that. But if you can see, even with this 3,500 over here, okay, you would, oh dear God, you would be able to measure this consolidation and you just flip it up. Now, I've already eyeballed it and I've got 3,689, okay? So for me, that would be the area that we would go for on a break of 3,500. You are currently above the little short-term moving averages and the 55-day moving average. So that's the thing to be careful of. So you can range trade, and in August, range trading isn't a bad idea. The reason it's not a bad idea is because you can define the range, you can see the range, and you trade on the breakout of the range. So, you know, a lot of traders do trade in August, more retail, I think, than professional traders who by this time have lost the will to live and want a holiday. Okay, so that's what they want to do. So you can there's always something to trade. You just got to look through the wood, through the trees, is what I say. Now I'm going to show you platinum and just see, because obviously platinum is a precious metal as well. We want to see if they're all looking the same way. You've got platinum and palladium. Silver's too bulky, I think. I mean, although it's on highs, it's still too bulky. But let's just take a quick look at platinum. Now, interestingly, platinum didn't have a good day. Well, it wouldn't, would it? Because I bought it. Platinum didn't have a good day. However, look, we are above this key support area. And what I'm going to do is I will show you where I put my Fibonacci levels. And I'm going to take, I don't like taking it from the top to the bottom. I like taking these fib levels from where the market started to trend higher. So I take it from that area and I put it up to the high. Or I try to put it up to the high. Which it doesn't seem to want to do, so I'm going to bring it back, remove them, and do it again. So I'm taking that low from June and I'm taking it up to there. Now, as you can see, the market here on Friday came down to the 50% fib level. Okay, so although the market corrected, it hit that 50% level, which is really, really an important point. It hit the fib level and it hit the moving average. If you look at the indicators, we'll go back again. If you look at the indicators, they all have come from diverse overbought divergence. We can see that divergence over here. I don't know why Trader made this. You can see that the market went higher, but the indicators didn't. So that was your first, oh my God, clue that the market was going to trade lower. To hit the 50% fib level is quite important. And now that has eased all the overbought conditions, and we could be ready for platinum to then have another go on the top side. Keep this chart, keep this video, because you can always refer back to it. And you know, if you refer back to it, you'll be able to see the levels so much easier. And hopefully, with the training that we're going to give you, you will be able to make these trades yourself. You'll be able to just look at the chart without any of the averages or indicators, and you'll be able to do it yourself. Well, that's my aim anyway. That's what I'm going to teach you to do. I'm still very, very bullish on all the precious metals. I don't see any reason for the moment why any gold, silver, platinum, palladium would start to downtrend. I can't see any reason for it. I've been liking precious metals now for about 8 years. I mean, I know it sounds long, but you know, scrap gold, whatever, I'm not sure you can get hold of it now, but there's ways of doing it, you know. What you don't want is a gold certificate. You don't want that. You want something physical. So if you can get hold of physical gold, physical platinum, you know, then you're in with a good chance. So that's my little tip for this week on the precious metals. Obviously I will be doing more videos as the week progresses, but you know, it is the silly season. I've guests out next week. I have my family coming out, so I won't be working too much. I will be laying in my pool. That's what I'm going to do. So, but I will keep my eye on the market, and if there is anything that I see that is important, I will quickly do a video for you. Alright? Those of you who are on holiday, enjoy it. Those of you who aren't, be very, very careful. You have to readjust your stops in August, because the market goes to stop you out. It tries to stop you out. It lives to stop you out. Alright? So you might need to put them a little bit further away than what you would have done. But if you put them further away than what you would have done initially, then you can always stop reverse. Remember, not the first break, not interested. On the second, you can stop reverse and look for the next level. Okay? Good luck, and I'll catch you this week, and have a good trading day. Oh, one thing, Mondays, I used to do like a setup. So I would be working on a Sunday, so that Monday morning I'd have my trading strategy for the week. We have got a new month, so it's not difficult to go back and get those monthly pivots, weekly pivots, daily pivots, tie them in with longer term fibs, short term fibs. Just tie them in. You want as many indicators that are good ones. You want as many of them as you can, all tying in around the same level. The more support or resistance at those specific levels, the more likely the market is going to trade within that consolidation. Okay, I think that's it now. Okay, have a great week, and I will catch you in the week. Good luck.